Most people think a professional server setup requires a massive, expensive floor cabinet, but this compact frame might just change your mind. It looks like a simple piece of steel, but it solves the biggest headache in home networking by bringing enterprise-level organization right to your wall. The Tecmojo 6U wall mount server rack is built for those who are tired of seeing their switches, routers, and media equipment piled up on a dusty shelf. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out because it is made from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel with a clean electrostatic powder coat that feels like it can take a real beating. What makes this specific model a total game changer is the 180-degree swing gate. Anyone who has ever tried to wire a patch panel in a cramped corner knows the struggle of reaching behind the equipment. With this design, the entire front frame swings open, giving full access to the rear cables from either side. It makes maintenance or adding new gear feel like a breeze rather than a chore. It supports a static load of 110 pounds, which is more than enough for a heavy UPS, a couple of switches, and a server. Even when the gate is swinging open with gear attached, it handles a 55-pound sliding load without feeling flimsy or sagging. Installation is surprisingly thoughtful too. It features mounting holes spaced exactly 16 inches apart, so it lines up perfectly with standard wall studs. The inclusion of a drilling template saves a lot of frustration during the setup process. Another clever touch is the ability to switch between square holes and tapped holes, giving the user the flexibility to use whatever mounting hardware they prefer. The 18-inch depth is the sweet spot for most networking gear and shorter server chassis, while the open frame design ensures that heat dissipation is never an issue. It is a rugged, versatile, and incredibly smart solution for anyone looking to clean up their tech space. This rack is a rock-solid investment that turns a messy pile of wires into a professional-grade command center.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.